Okay, so Parallel Agile is our attempt to enable large team development for software engineering. It's kind of like, there's an old saying in basketball, you know, a good big man beats a good little man, right? So sometimes you'd really like to be able to take a big software project and throw a large team of people at it and get it done quicker. And the conventional wisdom in the industry has been that this is impossible. What we do in Parallel Agile is we basically apply the spiral model, but not across the whole project as a large entity, but we apply it one use case at a time. So basically, we split the system into its use cases, and then we run through this spiral model life cycle on each individual use case. And everybody's working in parallel. So what happens when you do things in parallel is that the number of hours you work doesn't really change that much, but the time on the calendar changes dramatically because everybody's doing that work in parallel with everybody else. So you can get quicker schedules and shorten your time to market. And shortening your time to market is a big deal, okay? And so you can do large systems by just adding more people to your project. We kind of have a little secret in the mix to make this work, and that is we have a code generator. And in under a minute, it creates all this stuff. And it basically is all this database infrastructure for the project comes for free. And the key focus here is, do I have all my corner cases and edge cases identified when I do that? Because most of the bugs in software systems happen from edge cases and corner cases. And so what we're trying to do is go faster without increasing your defect count. The unique thing about Parallel Agile, as far as I know, is that it gives you a chance to deliver a pretty large project in 3 months. There's no other software process that I'm aware of that gives you that same opportunity to do that. So we think we're onto something.